Hey, Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here, and I want to welcome you to this channel, Adeyemi Oluwaseun's channel, where you're going to learn and see different opportunity, okay, on how you can make money for yourself. All right, and today's uh, topic is the simple forex set and forget strategy to make $100 every day. All right, and if you're watching this channel for the first time, we advise you to like this video and click on subscription button and the notification button. Okay, so whenever we drop, a free video like this, a free tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification before other to get it. Okay, so today this is what we are going to talk about. This a simple system that called forex set and forget strategy to make $100 every day. Okay, and I can read through the disclaimer here. Read through the disclaimer here. And so all you need to do now is just let's go straight to our MT4 because there is no time that we can waste. So when getting to the MT4 here, getting to the MT4, so this is it. So you don't need any indicator. I'm going to make use of naked chart like this. So the system is very good for those who are working like 8 to 5 job. Then the beginner, forex beginner, maybe you do not know how to do analysis or you are just starting your forex career. Of course, the system is good. Even for the pro, have been doing well before. The system is very good for everyone. All right, so I will advise you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, at least to learn something new today. Right, so the system is actually cool and very simple, as I said earlier. All right, so the first thing they're going to do is just very simple step. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do here is just right click on the any part of this MT4. All right, so you see the properties. When you see the properties, then go to the command, then you see show period separators. Okay, so that at least you'll be sure you're able to see it clearly. All right, the opening and the null day. Okay, the opening of the null day and the closes of the null day of that day. Okay, like right now you can see this is the market started from, this is 27th. The market started from here and this is the end of that day, beginning of 28th and the end of the 28th, beginning of 29 and the end of 29 to the beginning of 30th, which is today. All right, 30th of April. And you can see we still have some hours before today ends. So it will show you clearly each day on the MT4 platform. All right. So, and the system is actually simple, as I said earlier. All you need is to do is just to know the time of when the broker that you are using, the time they are day close. It's time their market close every day. Maybe if you're in Nigeria, it may be 10 o'clock at night. It may be 11 o'clock at night. It may be 12 o'clock at night. Okay. All right. So once you know that, like for example, now when let's say you want to trade today. If you want to trade today, so it means when immediately the market yesterday's on 29th, yesterday closes, when today's candle, the first candle open on 1 hour, you have to stay on 1 hour, right? So on the first candle that want to open today, which is this one, all right? So that is where now do the you have to find the high and low of yesterday, high and low of yesterday, right? That's what you find. You find high and low of yesterday. For example, now let's start from the 27. Let's check from 20. Okay, let's check from 28. All right, 28. So if you want to trade on 28, okay, let's say you want to trade 28. So immediately the last candle closes on the of 27th closes. So we have to look for the high and low of 27th. All right. So how are we going to do that? But you need to go to your horizontal line. So you pick the horizontal line here, then you look for the I. This is I of that 27th, because you want to trade on the 28th. Then the low. So the low is here, all right? So the high is 108.773, and the low is 108.068. Remember, we do the analysis because we want to trade on the 28th. Immediately the last candle closes on the 27th, and the no candle open on the 28th, which is, it could be 10 o'clock at night. So that is why I said you have to monitor when the market closes, daily market closes, all right, on your broker, because it varies. It depends on the country, all right, country time where they came from, all right. So if you are using an Australia broker, so the time depends on their country. If you are using Nigerian broker, the time definitely the no day candle be opening by 12 midnight, right? And once you are able to find the previous day high and low, so and put it in and two that I'm going to give you for free. You see the link at the description of this video below. So just click on it and download it. Then you just need to type the high and low. So it will give you the entry price. It will give you the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. All right. So, and all you need to do is just to trigger your trade and forget about the whole thing, right? And the stop loss as well. So this was the low of 27th, and this was the high of the 27th. And because we want to trade 28 on the 28th, all right. So what we need to do right now is just to go to the 2 and the low here of that 27th. Remember, we check the high and low of 27th because we want to trade on 28th. Immediately the last candle closed on the 27th. So it will be midnight of that 28th. Okay, the first immediately the first candle opened on the 28th. That is when we are gonna do check the last the high and low of 27th. I think you get that one clearly right now. Okay, so then you go to the calculator. Let me open the calculator here. All right, so I just open the calculator right here, and so then this is the calculator. You can see on the calculator, you say this calculator will automatically calculate this buy, sell, trade amounts as well as stop loss and take profit levels for each trade. All right, so on the 27th we have our high. So you're gonna put it here, right? So our high is 108.773. All right, so then you click on anywhere. You can see it has done the rest as well. Then you look for the low. The low is 108.664, right? Then you click outside the lines right this and see that it has filled up the remaining ones. So just forget about everything that is here. This one is like lot size, but you can't make use of this lot size. Of course, it depends on the capital that you're having on your trading balance. I mean your bankroll, because you cannot have $100 and you say you want to use 0.07. So you have to use the minimum lot size. All right, but the price, I mean, immediately it will give you 3 entry price, which is the first entry price, the same entry price, of course, buy price. You can see give you buy price. So our buy price is going to be 108.84. all right, then the target, the first target is 15 pips. That is target TP1, TP2 35 pips, TP3 50 pips. All right, and this is going to be the take profit price, take profit price for the TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, on this profit that he puts here, this is just 15 pips. That is take profit 1. 35 pips, that is take profit 2. 50 pips, that is take profit 3. Then the same price for the buy entry. All right, now let's just do the little stuff. So the price, what price the calculator give us, that is 108.84, right? 108.84, 108.84, that is buy. So I'm going to change the color, right? I'm going to change the color to let me change it white, and let me make it thicker a little bit so that you can understand it better. So 108.4, that is the entry price for 28 on 28 entry price for 28. Remember, entry price for 28. All right, and we have 3 take profit. Okay, the first take profit is 108.99. That is 15 pips. 108.99. That is first take profit, which it has done. Did the first take profit, because this is 28. Okay, this is 28. This is 28, and it has done the first take profit right there. Okay, and you can see immediately did the first take profit. You have to move your entry price. Immediately it deliver the first take profit here, so you have to move the entry price of the the entry price of the take profit 2, take profit 3 to at least to break even. Okay, you must move them up like this, at least to secure your profits. So that is how it works. Immediately this one, so immediately you can see that this one does not even go further. The market just reverse, so it's coming back to take profit. That it means you make 45 pips that very day. Okay, because, and let's check. So what immediately you do that, so this is take profit 1, then you enter take profit 2. This is 109.19, 109.19, 109.19, but market did not go there because 109.19, you can see. So that's why I do not even want to be wasting much time about this. And see, immediately the market has touches the take profit 1, it reverse and hits the stop loss. So that is why you are going to enter 3. You are going to have 3 entry. All right. So immediately the price hits 15 pips. You must, the second take profit and third take profit, you must put them. You must trail them. We must trail them. All right. You must trade them at least maybe 10 pips. You must trade them at least maybe 10 pips. Okay, at least to secure some profit. All right, so, and you can see that this one has already hit the profit TP stop loss. All right, but now it means you will take like 35 pips or 45 pips, and for that day. Okay, for that day. So let's check you can see we have sell as well, but the market did not even come to the sell. Market did not even come to the sell. Let's check the sell scenario for that day. Sell give us you can see 15 pips, 35 pips, 50 pips as well. Then the entry price 107.99. Then take profit 1, take profit 2 price, take profit 3 price. Then this to your stop loss, of course, for buy, your stop loss for sell. All right, so 107.99. But you can see that the price did not even come there. 107.99. You can see that the price did not even come near it. All right, the price did not even come near it. So for that day, we just took 35 pips thereabouts that very day. Okay, so let's just do the one for 29. So immediately the last candle closes on the 28th, and the first candle on the 29th open. Okay, then we have to look for the high and low of 28. I think you are getting what I'm doing here right now. So the high and low of 28. So this is the high and low. This is the low. All right, this is the low of 28. Okay, so we have 108.566. We have 109.077. Okay, so that day, let's just check. So not this place. 109. 109.077. You can see it has filled it up, and this is the stop loss for them. TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, then 108.566. You can see that this is the stop loss for that. And right now, you want to, this is the entry price 109.15. Okay, 109.15. That is buy. For buy, 109.15. That is for buy. 0.15. That is for buy. Can you see? So that is for buy here. Now, and for sale 108.57. for sale 108.57. 108.57. So that is where the sell entry. Sorry, I think it's a mistake. 108 points. Sorry, 108.5. 0.5. 0.5, yeah. So you can see that. So that very day, which is 29, so the market was coming down. Okay, and it's open. Of course, it's opened the sell order. It's open sell order. So it's open sell order. And when you want to open your order here, want to open order, this is the order that you're going to open. This. So you're going, I don't know why this thing is doing like this. It's not opening. It's not clickable. No order is not clickable. But it's sell order, sell stop, buy stop, sell stop. All right. It's open, buy stop, sell stop. That is what you be opening. Not buy directly or sell directly. Buy stop, because it's going to be open pending order. Remember, this is the market will still be here when they give us this price. So you're going to open pending order, which is sell stop, buy stop, right? Sell stop, buy stop. Okay. Then TP, the first TP here is 10835. 10835. You can see the market, it did not even touch it, or it went back to stop loss, because this is stop loss that the market gives us 108.75. 108.75. Where is it? This is it. So market will hit stop loss on 29th. So that 29th, it means 29th was not even favorable. Okay, it cannot be favorable every day. That is just the truth. It cannot be favorable every day. Okay, So, but out of 20 days that you're going to trade with, of course, you can get 100 pips more than 12 or 13 days. Okay, so you can check, you can do your own this thing as well. At least you can backtest it. It's a thing that you can easily backtest. All right, so now here we have done with that day. You can see that on the 29th, the market will uh, hit stop loss on the 29th. Okay, hit stop loss. All right, and uh, the 30th, which is today, we must have done our high and low yesterday. High, low, low, right? Then you go to the calculator here. You check our the high is 109216 and the low is 108433. All right, 100433, and it has given us this. And as you can see, that the market is still ranging, so it has not even opened either buy or sell. All right, it does not even open either buy or sell. It does not open either buy or sell. So that's just about this. Because this is the entry. The entry price is 109.29, which is above this. And see the market is still even here. So that is this. That's about this. That is that about this. And if you want to check here, this is 27th, right? So if you want to trade on the 27th, so it means you look for the high and low of 26th, high and low of 26th. All right, this is high and low of 26th. So we gonna look, check at this thing, which is 108.200. Okay, and 107 point 637. All right, so the market give us the buy entries. Buy entry for what is buy price, this is buy entry price. Pending order, that is buy stop. We are going to open buy stop. Buy stop. Go to pending order, then check buy stop. 108.27. 108.27. I'm going to change this to yellow. I'm going to change this to yellow. 10, the buy price is 108.27. 108.27. 0.27. All right, that is for 27, right? For 27th, okay. Then the sell stop, the price, don't mind, they just buy, so it's going to be sell 107.57, okay. For sell 107.57, 107.57, 107.57 here. So you can see this sell order. So on the 27th, the market went to buy, right? And the take profits, take profit one, this profit one, 108.42.42. So it has done TP1. So then you trail the rest. Then TP2 is 10.62, 0.62, 0.62. Can see same day market hit it, and on the 108.77, 108.77, 0.77. So same day it have done 100 pips. Okay, did 100 pips. So that is it. And for buy, your stop loss is going to be here. This is the stop loss 108.02, 108.02, 108.02.02. This is the stop loss. So your stop loss is here, right? So let's check the stop loss. So about 50 pips. I mean, sorry, so about 18 pips. The price as 25 pips rather. So the stop loss is 25 pips. Okay. So that is that about this. You can see that day everything went perfectly. So that is most of the days. That is how once the market trends, that's how move. So you can do the back testing. All right, you can do the back testing and see how it works. So you can let me know your hands as well. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. And if you do not, so I'm on the description below. I'm going to leave the this uh what is it called the calculator tools. I'm going to put it on the description below, so you can go just go there and download it, then do the back testing and try this one out. See that it works for you, especially if you are 8 to 5 worker that you normally go to office. So you can try this out and see that at the end of the month, you're going to be in profit, not in loss. Okay, but you just have to do the use normal proper money management. You just have to use the proper money management. You can see, you know that there is no, as you know, there is no perfect strategy or tools. Okay, but it's maybe at the end of the month you have 30%, 40% profit or bankroll. Very good for you. So if I have on this video, particular video, uh, if I have 1,000 likes, I'm gonna record something. I'm going to review something great for you guys, and it definitely work well for you. Okay, so thank you very much. I remain yours. So subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. Like this video. Click on notification button and see you'll be getting the notification whenever we drop something with content that is great like this, make you money. So thank you very much. I remain yours. Bye for now.